Hey there, it's Alex Cooper here, Senior Designer at Steelhead Productions. No doubt you've been seeing our marketing initiatives for our virtual offerings, which have very rapidly become an in-demand alternative solution to the current void in our industry of face-to-face live events. And chances are, you're probably wondering what exactly are these virtual offerings? And considering the variations of virtual within our industry, it's certainly understandable that our conception of virtual may not necessarily be immediately grasped. So, in a nutshell, we provide engagement-packed virtual marketing environments hosted online that bring the marketing objectives that you would typically reserve for your live events and activate them virtually within a 3D environment that allows your online attendees to be either guided by you via a video call or simply allow them to explore and interact within your environment, which is a choose-your-own-adventure 360-degree journey and experience. Our design team has put a lot of creativity and seamless application integrations into these environments, simply so we can provide you with more ways to connect with your customers. The creation of these marketing environments can be summarized by a simple 3-step process. Number 1, work with our design team to select the right virtual environment for your brand. Look, the reality is the virtual 3D space doesn't have the same spatial parameters or rules and regulations as trade shows and live events. In fact, let's take it a step further. It doesn't even have to abide by the laws of physics. We can exercise a great deal of creativity to produce a virtual environment that captures the heartbeat and the soul of the operations of your company. The example that I'll share with you is our very own virtual rooftop party. Look, Steelhead Productions above all creates environments designed for connection, both in the physical world and now in the virtual. And the most genuine way to capture that for our own brand is to set the scene which encourages exactly that: connection, engagement, and most importantly, fun. The operations of your company can be showcased in a way that may have been out of reach from a budget standpoint in a live format, but now your marketing genius can shine when we collaborate with you to design the engagement space that you've always wanted to create that best serves your brand's objectives. Number 2, decide which areas are perfect for engagement and decide how to activate them. The intent above all is to ensure that the engagement is well facilitated. Every online attendee interacting within your environment is a lead, and so every engagement can and should be tracked with analytics to determine how your engagement zones are performing. But before we design your environment, we work with you to map out the journey and storyboard where engagements will take place and which type of engagements work best. You may choose to activate existing marketing assets such as video media, e-literature downloads, which can be transitioned to lead gen forms, or provide new content specifically for the environment. You can set up a live cast or webinar right within your environment so that attendees can engage in real time and even have them participate in gamification experiences customized and tailored to your brand. And just know that all the decision making around mapping and activating engagement zones, we work closely with you to determine whether we've struck the right balance and we still maintain its degree of simplicity and sophistication in design, because we want to make sure that we don't overload it. And last but certainly not least, number 3, select upgrades to enhance the experience. We've already just identified several options that are readily available on our platform, but sometimes your experience needs to be elevated further to perhaps capture specific target groups of attendees or be absolutely sure that these attendee leads turn into dollars. Other upgrade examples could be included, such as building in a group chat or a public discussion forum within the environment. Or you may want to give your attendees the option to have a live one-on-one chat with a subject matter expert, which can be also digitally scheduled. We can produce and integrate a live avatar to humanize the entire experience. Essentially what that is you have someone or multiple people greet you as you enter certain zones within the environment, which we can also collaborate with you to script write their gestures. And there are definitely many more upgrades available that we can integrate. You know, the exciting thing for us is every need that we fulfill with our virtual platform is completely different to one another. And with that, as we tailor the experience to our customers' objectives, we've found that upgrades are the key to ensuring the virtual experience we create for you undeniably sets you apart from your competitors. So we hope you found this video helpful. If you're considering working with us to build your virtual marketing environment, please reach out to our team for a demo today. We're excited to help you create more ways to connect. Have an awesome day.